Let's use a financial calculator to calculate the net present value of the given set of cash flows. At time period t equal to 0, we have an investment or an outflow of $100. At time period 1 and 2, cash inflows of $20, and at time period t equal to 3, a cash inflow of $90. Given a cost of capital or discount rate of 10%, what is the net present value? For this, I'm using the Texas Instruments BA IIPlus. So I start by turning calculator on and getting it ready to input cash flows. For this reason, second cash flow. And now I need to ensure that I remove or clear any past data so that it does not affect my future calculations. So therefore, second and clear. Now my calculator is clear and ready for calculations. So at time period t equal to 0, I have an outlay or a cash outflow of $100. So the negative 100, enter, and the down arrow key. Cash flow 1 is the $20 inflow which is coming in. So a positive 20, and enter to set the value and the down arrow key. So it asks me for the number of times or the frequency of the $20. So I can put in a 2 because I have $20 coming in at time period t equal to 1 and 2. And I set the frequency to 2, enter, and the down arrow. Now the calculator asks me the next cash flow, which is essentially cash flow 3, which would be the $90, enter, down arrow key, frequency of 1, down arrow. If this is a little confusing, you can choose to input cash flow 1 as 20 with a frequency of 1, cash flow 2 as 20 with a frequency of 1, and cash flow 3 as 90 with a frequency of 1, 2. Try the same, you should get the same results. Now that we have input the cash flows, we can go ahead and compute the NPV. Therefore, compute NPV. I need to put in my cost of capital of 10%. So 10, enter to set the values, and down arrow, NPV compute, giving me an NPV of 2.33. So the NPV or the net present value of these set of cash flows is a positive 2.33. So if a company has a project which it can potentially undertake with these cash flows, it should go ahead and accept this project because it gives it a positive net present value.